If you're having trouble with your washer, learning how to reset a Whirlpool washing machine can save you time and frustration. Often, minor issues can be resolved with a quick reset, avoiding the need for a repair call. Whether your Whirlpool washer isn't responding, displaying an error code, or simply seems stuck mid-cycle, a reset may be all it needs to get back on track. The simplest way how to reset a Whirlpool washing machine is to unplug it from the power source. Leave it unplugged for about 1 to 2 minutes. This break in power should allow the control board to reset itself. Once you've waited, plug the machine back in and press the power button to turn it on. Select a wash cycle and see if everything is back to normal. If this works, you've just reset your washer. Sometimes, a more specific process is required depending on the model. Many Whirlpool washers have a designated reset button or a particular sequence of buttons to press for a full reset. Check your user manual to see if your model has a unique reset process. In general, one common sequence for Whirlpool washers involves pressing and holding the Start/Pause button for about 3 seconds until you hear a beep. If your washer has a digital display, you might see all lights blink or hear a double beep, which usually signals that the reset has been successful. For washers showing error codes, knowing how to reset a Whirlpool washing machine is especially useful. Codes like F08, F06, or other combinations may indicate various problems, such as water flow or motor issues. A reset often clears these codes temporarily, allowing you to complete your current load. However, if the error codes keep appearing, it may be a sign of a larger issue, like a blocked drain or a malfunctioning sensor. Resetting can give you a chance to check the machine's performance before deciding if a service call is necessary. If none of these steps work, consider running a diagnostic test to pinpoint the problem. Many Whirlpool washing machines have a diagnostic mode. To activate it, press specific buttons in a sequence, often pressing spin and soil level. Buttons in rapid succession can activate the diagnostic mode, which might display error codes or troubleshoot minor issues. You can refer to your user manual or check Whirlpool's online resources for exact instructions. Regular maintenance can also reduce the need to keep learning. How to reset a Whirlpool washing machine. Simple steps like avoiding overloading the washer, cleaning the filter, and occasionally running a cleaning cycle can prevent many issues from happening in the first place. These habits will not only extend the lifespan of your washer, but also ensure smooth operation without unnecessary disruptions. If the problem persists, despite a reset and basic troubleshooting, it might be time to contact a professional technician.